everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and this is
Landon.
And today we are making a mocktail recipe, the classic Shirley Temple. We're also going to give a little offshoot and make it festive for Shark Week or the beach or summertime by making a shark attack. So Landon's going to demo the shark attack and I'm going to do the Shirley Temple. Okay, so to make a classic Shirley Temple, you're just going to need two ingredients, ginger ale and grenadine syrup. The grenadine makes it festive and red and fun, and kids like cocktails too. Obviously, you can't put alcohol in there. So the main ingredient would be the garnishes. So you want to make it fun and light and colorful for the kids. Landon is going to make a shark attack. A shark attack is the same ingredient, except you're going to put the grenadine in something else and not directly into the drink. So I'm going to make my Shirley Temple and then Landon's going to make the shark attack. So to make the Shirley Temple, we're going to rim our glass. So I just want to take a little bit of lime and wet the rim to make it sticky. And then we're just going to stick it into some sanding sugar. And then you have a little pink rim. You can do any color. I just picked pink because I like pink. So I'm gonna put some ice into the glass.
I don't like pink.
You don't like pink? What color would you pick?
Blue.
I always get scared when I open ginger ale.
Blue or red?
Blue or red? I don't have blue or red today. But you're gonna do something else with yours. So you can show me how to make your drink in a second. So we're just gonna pour the ginger ale into the glass. And grenadine syrup is just like basically syrup. It's really sweet, it's very sugary. It doesn't have a very strong flavor, so you're really drinking just like colored ginger ale because we're just gonna put a little splash in there. And you can make your Shirley Temple a dirty Shirley for grown-ups if you wanna add vodka or gin or something with a little punch. So we'll pour a little bit of the grenadine.
That reminds me of something like that I've seen before, like a drink.
Yeah, I think you've had one of these before.
I had?
I think so. And we're gonna top it with a couple cherries. It's always more fun with more than one. And a little umbrella. That's our garnish. You can garnish with fruit, get some pretty cocktail picks, and of course a little straw. Okay, it's your turn. Show me how to make a shark attack.
So do you put this in first, right?
So we're gonna put the ice in first. So you wanna put some ice in your glass. And you wanna put your fish in.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting.
You can put in whatever you want.
There we go.
And now you're gonna put in the ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
And if you don't like ginger ale, you can use 7-Up or Sprite or some other lemon lime soda.
Or you can make it like polluted water and make it Coke.
Yeah,
It'll
you
look
could
like
do that
polluted
too.
water.
It'll look polluted and disgusting. Now what?
And then you can put grenadine in, but I'm gonna put in this blue food dye to make the water look blue.
That's good. That was a lot.
Yeah.
Go ahead, you can stir it with your straw.
So that way it makes the water look a little blue. Sometimes a little too blue, but
That's okay.
it's okay.
And now we have the shark. So what are you gonna do with the shark?
So you fill the mouth with grenadine to make it look like it has, well, blood in its mouth.
Here we go.
And then you put the shark into the thing, but then later on you can dump the grenadine in. If you add the blue food dye though, it might turn purple.
That's right. Good job. Now let's toast to summer. Cheers.
Cheers.
Take a sip. Is it good? Tastes like ginger ale. Very good. I think you did a fabulous job. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.
Bye.